Hello everybody, Confusing493 here, and this is the first episode in my Devlog series of Cops and Robbers on Scratch. I know Scratch isn't very impressive to work in, and not very, impressive games come from Scratch, obviously, not many high-quality games. So I'm just making just a basic Cops and Robbers game, where it's a two-player game, so we have one player moving the cop with an arrow key, and another player moving the robber with WASD. And I've just, this is mostly just a bunch of simple scripts. I'll run through the scripting. But basically, the robber obviously has to get the sack of, I'm just gonna bring, okay, so he's going after the money, grabs it, gets 2 points down here. Cop has to get the robber. Once that happens, the robber gets -2, and the cop gets +2. The robber can also go after the money bag. The robber gets the money bag, he gets +1, and the robber gets -1. If the robber is caught by cop, goes to jail, where he will then get -1 point, and the robber will get +2, I believe. Yeah. So I'm just looking the game right now. I don't really on it. It's like Scratch got updated since last I was using it. Right, okay, so here's the scripts for the money. Obviously, when clicked, when the flag is clicked, it'll move to this spawn, and then it'll set off these forever loops that checks to see if it's touching the cop, and if it is, it's gonna glide to the next spawn. As you can see, I have 7 different spawns around. I'm gonna remove these once per stage. But I just wanted to make it quite random. This is how I chose to do it, since Scratch doesn't give you very good blocks for it. It's good enough. So for the top, I just have the controls, right arrow, down arrow, and then when it clicks, he's gonna go to random position, and so is the robber. If it's touching black, because we don't want them to start on the maze itself. So let's see if the cop or the robber. There, see? It switches to a different location. The cop just did it again. Anyway, it's just a cool little thing. Robber, it's the same exact thing, except for when clicked, if touching color black, when I have here, I'm touching maze. The reason for that is because the robber, obviously, over here is black, and what was happening was it would get, the cop would get sent to random location when he hit the robber, instead of the robber going to the jail. Cop was supposed to do that, sent to a different location. So just kind of strange. So now I fixed it. So I'm just gonna reset the scores. And then spawns are all sprites. Just made it easier, but it's not gonna be easy for me. I'd like to work on today, which is Thursday, 3:34 p.m., 3:23 what I'd like to work on today is getting a main view figured out, hiding all this when that. I'm gonna make the play button. So that's gonna be a sprite because I want it to be clicked. So, oh. So the play button is just gonna be oval. Alright, that's looking good. I'm gonna have a costume design thing also, which means that I'm so I'm really not sure. I'm gonna need a left and a right for both of them. And I'm gonna need to run checks to see stuff. I think I'm just gonna scratch the whole skin. Because it's gonna make it so that I can't go left and right, because Scratch is dumb like that. Can't just change the color. The coding be the same. It's sad. But it's cool. It's fine. So we're just gonna go ahead and scratch that entire bit. Stroke. Which isn't that much. If I'm scratching the skin designer. Okay. Play button. Start. So you hit play, nothing happens. That's not good, so I need to program that. So I'm going to go back to designing level design. So what I'm going to need to do is switch to the maze show button, and screenshot that. Okay, so I can do this by using snipping tool. Yeah, buddy. So actually make it a little bit smaller. I want to have 4 mazes to choose from and grow from there. So and there needs to be enough space for 4 mazes. So now the next thing I want to do is add a new sprite, which I'm going to upload from my computer. And it's just in my pictures, I believe. There. Porting. See, it needs to be sized down so much. 10. Nope, that's too much. 50. Too much. 35. Can be sized that small? Yep, alright. Looks good. Alright. That's in the backdrop. So we're gonna quickly play. Ah, I do actually. Save now. Alright. So now I just need to make the robbers, the cops, and the money bag show up. So I'm gonna say event. Hit play. Select. Everybody's showing. Yeah, whoop, you're from jail. It's worked. I have created a level select. Score is working. Everything is in order and alright. Yeah. So I'm gonna make the mazes around the different spawns. I think it's gonna work nicely. I just need to make it go a bit faster with the money bags so that they don't. So this is gonna be. This is great. Alright. That should be the devlog. Nope, never mind. I forgot to make it. I didn't think I was going to be able to do that, but I did, so that's cool. That is certainly cool. So I'm going to go ahead and see the project page. Let's see if this works. Okay. That was a little glitched for a second. I'm gonna need some to playtest this with partners. Just it works so well, and it's so random to me. Like just where the money bag goes. Robert earned. Everything just works so well. Absolutely. Actually. Okay.